Our customers are focused on the integrity of their product. They need speed to market, versatility, and above all, flexibility. That's why we decided to purchase the Fusion Cross.
The Fusion Cross is a perfect fit for bakergoodchile as one of the UK's market-leading mailing houses. They're able to print on demand many different outer envelopes, allowing them lots of flexibility.
The 4 legacy machines we previously had were good machines, but not as fast as the Fusion Cross. And it wasn't just about speed, it's about the versatility of the machine, which the Fusion Cross offers. We can do quite a lot of work in one run on the Fusion Cross now. We've recently done some urgent work for a customer which we wouldn't have undertaken in the past using the legacy machine, and that's all due to the speed and flexibility which the Fusion Cross brings us. The installation was very well executed by the team of technicians and engineers from BOWE. They ran to schedule right from delivery of the goods through to training of our staff. We've seen some immediate benefits from the machines. We've cut some job times in half. It's been a boost for our staff who have found the machines easy to operate, and it's great for the company.
The journey and the partnership has begun with bakergoodchile, and we're looking forward to using our service experience and knowledge to drive the efficiencies within their business and in turn for their clients. It's always really nice to be starting a new partnership with a customer, but what's really special is when you can see the improvements that the equipment brings and the efficiencies and the performance driving through the business.
We've built a reputation as a trusted and proven communications provider, and it's partnering with companies such as BOWE which allows us to continue on that path of providing market-leading solutions for our customers.